Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make buttercream icing without an electric mixer. So first you will need 125 grams of margarine butter or just butter, and it should be soft and at room temperature. To the butter, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract, and then you're just going to get a whisk or a wooden spoon and just mix it together very well. So that is how it needs to look like. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of icing sugar, but I'm just going to add a little bit at a time and mix, and then add a little bit in this mix. And now I've decided to use a wooden spoon because it's just a little bit easier to work with. To this, we are also going to add 2 tablespoons of milk and then just mix everything together until it is nice and creamy. And you can use the buttercream icing to decorate your cupcakes, your cakes. I'll also have some cake videos on my channel, so you can click on the card up there, or you can also check them out in the description. I'll be linking them in the description box below. And there we have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and also like it. Bye! See you in the next video.